Hello and welcome back to the Freedom Years Project, the channel that helps you take control of your money, even if your salary feels too small to stretch. Today, I'm sharing a practical, no-fluff, 5-step plan to budget on a low income. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step roadmap that works even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. Make sure to watch until the end, because I have a free budget tracker you can download today. Step 1. Know your real numbers. When money is tight, guessing is dangerous. You need a clear picture of exactly what's coming in and going out. Write down your net income. That's your salary after taxes and deductions. Then list every single expense for the month. That includes rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, debt payments, subscriptions, and even small purchases like coffee or snacks. When you see the numbers on paper, you may notice expenses that are quietly eating away at your budget. Here's the trick. Track your spending for at least 30 days before making changes. Why? Because tracking first shows you your real habits, not just what you think you spend. You can use a notebook, your phone's notes app, or the free budget tracker I'm giving you. This step might feel boring, but it's the foundation of everything else. If you skip it, your budget won't match your reality. Step 2. Separate needs from wants. When you're on a low salary, every peso or dollar has to work harder. Needs are things you can't live without, like rent, food, basic utilities, and transportation to work. Wants are things that make life more enjoyable but aren't essential, like streaming services, eating out, or impulse online shopping. Here's the mindset shift. On a low income, you might need to press pause on some wants, at least temporarily, to stabilize your finances. A quick example. Let's say you spend $60 a month on food delivery. If you cook at home instead, you could cut that to $20 and save $40 a month. That $40 could go toward debt, savings, or an emergency fund. And those small changes add up faster than you think. It's not about living with zero joy, but about making conscious trade-offs so you can get ahead. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule with a twist. The original formula says 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. But when your salary is low, that ratio might need adjusting. Instead, try this: 60% for needs, 20% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. If even that feels impossible, start small, save just 5% at first, and increase L. The important thing is to assign every peso or dollar a job before the month starts. If you leave money unassigned, it will disappear into small, forgettable purchases. Think of your budget as a plan you give your money, instead of wondering where it went. Step 4. Cut costs without feeling deprived. This is where creativity comes in. Look at your biggest expenses first. Can you get a cheaper phone plan? Can you share streaming services with family or friends? Can you switch to public transport or carpool instead of driving every day? Every time you cut a cost, move that saved amount into your savings or debt repayment, not toward new spending. Also, watch out for budget leaks. These are small expenses that don't seem like much individually, but add up over time, like daily coffee runs and used subscriptions or frequent snack purchases. Challenge yourself to plug one leak at a time. It's much easier to fix one habit per month than to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Step 5. Automate and track. If your salary is deposited into a bank account, set up automatic transfers for savings and bills right after payday. This way, you pay yourself first before you have the chance to overspend. Then, track your expenses weekly, not monthly. Weekly tracking helps you catch problems early instead of realizing too late that you overspent. Here's a pro tip. Use a visual tracker. It can be a Google Sheet, an app, or even a paper chart. Seeing your progress in real time makes budgeting less stressful and more motivating. That's exactly why I'm giving you my free budget tracker. It's simple, colorful, and designed for low-income budgeting. The download link is in the video description below. To recap, the 5 steps are: 1. Know your real numbers. 2. Separate needs from wants. 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule with a twist. 4. Cut costs without feeling deprived. And 5. Automate and track. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Freedom Years Project. Remember, your salary may be small right now, but your financial skills can grow bigger every day. The most important thing is to start. Download your free budget tracker using the link below and begin today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.